Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm excited. I am starting this new Christmas series sort of video. So I'm going to be doing these 12 different videos, the 12 days of Christmas DIYs. But I hope you guys enjoy all of these. So today in the first video, we're going to be doing this Oh Holy Night sign. And again, I'm going to leave this design for you on my website if you want to check that out. So let's get started. I hope you enjoy these videos.
So the first thing you're going to need is some kind of thin board for your sign backing, and I'm using Luan board. And you'll also need some framing strips to do the frame. You'll also need some kind of paint for your sign board, and I'm using this chalkboard paint in black.
So now I'm going to do my stain, and normally I just use regular natural stain from Lowe's, but today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I'm just going to be putting a whitewash stain on my wood. I think you can actually buy a white stain, but I'm going to be making my own. So this is just Gliden flat white paint, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So what I'm going to be doing is just pouring in a little bit of paint and adding some water and then wiping it onto my wood. So I'm just going to be taking this small towel and I'm just going to be wiping a light layer of the watered down paint I just made on each piece of my frame. And as you can see, it still leaves a little bit of the wood grain showing, but just enough white to make it look weathered and rustic.
Now I'm building the frame, and I'm placing all of the pieces face down, and I'm just going to secure them with a staple in each corner. Now I'm just going to attach the backboard, and pay no mind to the white on the back of this board. I originally wanted to paint it white, but I changed my mind to black. So I'm just stapling very close to the top edge all the way around to secure the board to the frame. I designed all of this in Design Space by Cricut, and the font that I'm using for this is called Bright Sunday, and it's the script font. So I had this G that was kind of hanging down low, and all I did was select this word night and the back that I created, which was the same size as my sign, and I just sliced those, so I got rid of the end of that G, and then I just cut it out with my Cricut and pieced all of these parts together. This was too long to print out in one piece, so I just pieced them together. This is Duck brand clear peel and stick. You can get it at Walmart. I believe that's where I got this, and I'm just using this to transfer the letters onto my sign. And I've been using vinyl letters a lot on my signs because it's simpler, but you can totally do a stencil on this. And I've ordered some Aura Mask stencil material. I don't know if you've seen that on other videos, but I'm definitely going to try that out and do a video on all the materials that I use for my stencils. I also get a lot of questions on the types of hangers I use on my signs. I just use these Sawtooth hangers, and I just mark either the center of my board or about 6 inches away from the edge. If it's a smaller board, I'll just do a center piece, and then if it's a longer board, I'll do at least 2 or 3, and I place them near the top edge of the backing. That way they can be attached to the backing and the frame. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check back tomorrow. I'll have another handmade item you can do for Christmas. I also have a lot of other requests for videos that I'm going to be getting to along with these videos, so watch out for those. I want to answer all your guys' questions. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.